Howdy friends, welcome back to Eccentric Nature. Today, I've got a challenge video. But not just any challenge video, my own challenge video. Alright, this challenge is pretty darn simple. I've only got 4 questions I need you to answer. Question number 1. What's your favorite herb and why? I kind of covered this one in if I were a plant challenge. My favorite herb is the basil because I use it the most. I still might the tastiest one overall to me. I mean, I've experimented with tons of herbs since I've become an herb planter, but I don't know, maybe it's just because of history we have together and how long we've known each other, but Basil and I were simpatico. Question number 2. How long have you grown herbs? In truth, I actually have only been growing herbs since I've been here in the UK, and then I didn't start that until after the first year I got here, so it's probably been about 7 years that I've become a full-on every year herb grower, and I've expanded my repertoire more and more each year. But yeah, I'd say it's about 7 years now. I mean, I've grown other things before, but herbs, specifically, yeah, about 7 years. Question number 3. What do you use herbs for? As many of you already know, I use my herbs in lots of different teas. I also, of course, use it in various foods. We love making lots of pesto, which is part of the reason I grow tons of basil, is we love pesto. We use it on pizzas. And we also, of course, use it in pastas. And I've actually used it in like tuna sandwiches and other sandwiches like egg salad sandwiches. So various sandwiches, I'll always throw some basil in there if I don't have like some rocket or spinach or something. Basil, that's my go-to. Last question. Show me your sexy herbs. So once you finish your video, all you have to do then is name it #ShowMeYourHerbs challenge. And then I'm gonna add it to my playlist and hopefully everybody will see it and love it and see your sexy herbs too. And of course I'm gonna watch it. That's why I'm challenging everybody. I wanna see your herbs, man. Show me your herbs. Show me your herbs. Show me the herbs. Now I need to challenge a couple of people because what's a challenge without me actually challenging people to do it? Hey, if you wanna do it, feel free. But I got a couple specific ones. Bare fruit gardening. Show me those herbs. Food time. I know you mostly do like food videos, but you got some herbs. I know you do. You have some herbs hiding around, Missy. You show me those herbs. Show me those herbs. Then organic food forest gardening. Let's do it, baby. Herbs. And last but not least, the city stead. All right, buddy. I know you got an herb garden. I've seen it. I have seen it, so I want to see it all. Show me all those herbs, baby. Show everybody those herbs. Specifically, show me those herbs. I think I just created this challenge because I like saying, show me the herbs. That's it for now. Until next time, y'all take care of each other and show me those sexy herbs.